Hello everyone, and welcome back to another review and swatch of the Born Pretty gel polishes. I love this company. I always say that every time I do a video for them, and they always have such nice, affordable gel polishes. So in this video, we are going to go through, these are the neon color collection, and I have to tell you, a lot of times when I swatch their polishes, I always notice how creamy they are, the opaqueness. They're just such a nice starter polish. Like if you're just getting into gel polishes and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just want to try out some polishes, they are such a cute little set to start out with and very, very affordable. So I will leave the link to this set. You can purchase them on Amazon or you can go directly to their site. And then right now I am going to show you the actual polishes as I swatch them. They did include a milky white, so it's like for doing like the milk bath, which I really haven't done a lot of in my nail career, but I wanted to try it. This color cracked me up because it like totally matched my gloves. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe so I can continue providing great content. I will see you guys later. Enjoy your 4th of July weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.